Hey guys, welcome back to How to Daily. And in this video, I will show you how to transfer crypto from Kraken to Binance on mobile. Alright, let's begin. Log into Kraken and Binance. The first step is to log into Kraken. Once logged into the Kraken account, the user will be redirected to the dashboard. From here, they can buy, sell, convert, or make changes to their payment methods. To withdraw cryptocurrencies though, the user has to ensure they have that asset in their accounts with funds in it. Similarly, to receive crypto on Binance, follow the same steps. Select the cryptocurrency to transfer. The next step is to select the asset to be withdrawn. To do this, navigate to the Wallet section, which will list all of the crypto wallets and available balances. Once the asset is selected, the user will be presented with the Assets page showing options to deposit and withdraw the cryptocurrency. Add the Binance wallet address. The next step is to add the wallet address copied from the Binance exchange. To do this, navigate to the top menu and click on Wallet. This will bring a menu with several options. Select Fiat and Spot to browse the account funds. Find the coin to receive, and to the far right will be several options. Click on Deposit, which will create a dialog box. Select the appropriate network that will be used for the transaction, which must be used within Kraken. Once that is done, copy the Binance wallet address using the QR code or click on the copy icon. This will be the address that will receive the crypto sent from Kraken. Within Kraken, click on Add a wallet address and enter the copied address from Binance. An address description can also be provided to assign a name to the wallet address for future transfers. After this, click on Add Withdrawal Address. Enter the withdrawal details in Kraken. The next step is to add the withdrawal amount. You can decide to withdraw the maximum amount in the account or the minimum for the selected asset. Also, note that Kraken would deduct transaction fees from the minimum amount withdrawn. Confirm and complete the transfer. The final step is to preview and confirm the transaction details. The recipient's wallet address, that is Binance account, withdrawal amount, fee, and the net amount to be transferred will be shown, and that's it, you are done.